This is the hall. The main door faces northeast. This is the niche. This is the terrace overlooking the building. The terrace is approximately 120 square feet. That is the duct area. This is the dining area. Here we go into the kitchen. This is the kitchen. You will get these built-in cabinets. This is the pantry where you can keep your washing machine and you can store your grains and whatever you want to store. Here we have the common wash basin. This is the common bathroom. This is the children's bedroom. The children's bedroom has an attached balcony which overlooks the amenities. This is the master bedroom. This is the attached bathroom of the master bedroom.